Welcome to day 17 of our new series, 100 Daily Routine English Sentences. Your commitment to this journey is truly inspiring, and I'm so excited to continue learning with you. Today, we're going to tackle a topic that can feel very intimidating, even for native speakers. Banking and money. Picture this. You're at a bank, trying to open a new account. The bank employee starts explaining different options. This checking account has a monthly fee, but it's waived with direct deposit. The savings account earns 2.5% APY. You nod and smile, but inside you're lost. Money conversations in English aren't just about vocabulary. They're about your financial freedom and security. Today, we are going to learn the simple, clear, and essential phrases you need to handle any banking situation with confidence. And make sure you stay with me until the very end, because I'll reveal the simple secret that will make you feel confident in any financial conversation. Ready? Let's talk about money. Part 1. Opening a bank account. Let's begin with the very first step. Opening a bank account. These are the foundational phrases you need to start your relationship with a bank. First, we will learn and understand each phrase one by one. Please repeat after me in the pause, and then I will explain the meaning and purpose of each sentence. I would like to open an account, please. This is the most polite and professional way to begin. I would like to, or I'd like to, is a perfect phrase for making a request. An account is the service a bank provides for you to keep your money. What types of accounts do you offer? This is a great question to understand your options. Banks usually have different types of accounts, and the two most common are checking accounts and savings accounts. Could you explain the difference between a checking and a savings account? This is a very smart question to ask. A checking account is for your daily expenses, like paying bills and buying groceries. A savings account is for money you want to keep for the future, and it usually earns a little bit of money called interest. What documents do I need to bring? Every bank requires specific documents or official papers to open an account. This usually includes your passport, your visa, and a proof of address, which is a bill or letter that shows where you live. Is there a minimum deposit? A minimum deposit is the smallest amount of money you must put into the account when you first open it. Does this account have a monthly fee? A monthly fee is a small amount of money the bank might charge you each month just for having the account. It's a very important question to ask. What is the interest rate on the savings account? The interest rate is the percentage of money the bank pays you for keeping your money in a savings account. A higher interest rate is better. I'm ready to open a checking account today. A clear, confident statement to show you have made your decision. When will I receive my debit card? A debit card is the plastic card you use to take money out of your account at an ATM or to pay for things in stores. How do I set up online banking? Online banking allows you to manage your account on your computer or phone. To set up is a phrasal verb that means to prepare or arrange something to be used. Shadowing practice. Opening a bank account. Perfect! You're ready to start any banking relationship. Now let's practice these phrases in our intensive shadowing block. I will say each phrase twice. Repeat after me in each pause. I would like to open an account, please. I would like to open an account, please. What types of accounts do you offer? What types of accounts do you offer? Could you explain the difference between a checking and a savings account? Could you explain the difference between a checking and a savings account? What documents do I need to bring? What documents do I need to bring? Is there a minimum deposit? Is there a minimum deposit? Does this account have a monthly fee? Does this account have a monthly fee? What is the interest rate on the savings account? What is the interest rate on the savings account? I'm ready to open a checking account today. I'm ready to open a checking account today. When will I receive my debit card? When will I receive my debit card? How do I set up online banking? How do I set up online banking? Part 2. Making daily transactions. Now that you have an account, let's learn the essential phrases for your daily activities like putting money in, taking money out, and moving money around. I need to make a deposit. A deposit is when you put money into your bank account. You can deposit cash or a check. I want to withdraw some cash. To withdraw means to take money out of your bank account. Cash refers to physical money, like bills and coins. Could you tell me my current account balance? Your account balance is the total amount of money you have in your account at the present moment. Current. I'd like to transfer money between my accounts. To transfer means to move money electronically from one account to another, for example, from your savings account to your checking account. I need to deposit this check. A check is a written order to a bank to pay a specific amount of money from one person's account to another. How long will it take for this check to clear? When you deposit a check, it needs to clear, which means the bank has to process it and confirm the funds are real. This can take a few business days. I want to make a payment on my credit card bill. A bill is a request for payment. This is the phrase you use to pay the money you owe on your credit card. I need a receipt for this transaction, please. A receipt is the piece of paper that is your proof of the transaction or the financial action you just completed. Shadowing practice. Making daily transactions. Excellent! Let's practice these phrases for your daily banking needs. Repeat each sentence once after me. I need to make a deposit. I want to withdraw some cash. Could you tell me my current account balance? I'd like to transfer money between my accounts. I need to deposit this check. How long will it take for this check to clear? I want to make a payment on my credit card bill. I need a receipt for this transaction, please. Part 3. Handling card problems. Sometimes things go wrong. This section will help you solve the most common problems with your bank cards quickly and calmly. I think I lost my debit card. This is a very important and urgent situation. To lose your card means you cannot find it. I need to report my card as stolen. Stolen is different from lost. It means you believe someone took your card without your permission. This is extremely urgent. My credit card isn't working. A simple and direct way to state the problem when you are trying to make a payment. The ATM didn't give me any money. This is a serious problem to report if the ATM took your card but did not dispense the cash. I can't remember my PIN. Your PIN is your personal identification number, the secret 4-digit code for your card. Can you help me reset my PIN? To reset your PIN means to change it to a new one if you have forgotten the old one. I need to order a replacement card. This is what you ask for if your card is lost, stolen, or damaged. A replacement is a new one to take the place of the old one. Is there a fraudulent charge on my account? A fraudulent charge is a payment that you did not make or authorize. It means someone else might be using your card information illegally. Shadowing practice. Handling card problems. Fantastic! You can solve any card problem now. Let's practice. Repeat each phrase once after me. I think I lost my debit card. I need to report my card as stolen. My credit card isn't working. The ATM didn't give me any money. I can't remember my PIN. Can you help me reset my PIN? I need to order a replacement card. Is there a fraudulent charge on my account? Part 4. Real conversation practice. Incredible! Now that you have learned all these individual sentences about banking, let's see how they can be used in a new, natural, flowing conversation. In this part, I will play both roles of a conversation between a customer, me, Sarah, and a bank employee, Mark, about a lost card. I want you to repeat each line after me in the pause to practice your rhythm and intonation. Let's go!
Good morning. Thank you for calling Citibank. This is Mark speaking. How can I help you?
Hi, Mark. I need some help. I think I lost my debit card.
Okay, I can definitely help you with that. I'm sorry that happened. First, I need to verify your identity. Can you please tell me your full name and date of birth?
Yes, my name is Sarah Johnson, and my date of birth is April 10th, 1990.
Thank you, Sarah. I see your account here. I'm going to block your old card right now so that no one can use it. Is that okay?
Yes, please, thank you. I'm a little worried.
Don't worry, your account is safe now. Would you like me to order you a replacement card?
Yes, please. How long will that take to arrive?
It usually takes about 5 to 7 business days. It will be mailed to your address on file.
Okay, thank you. One more question. I can't access my money without my card. Can I get some temporary cash?
Absolutely. You can visit any of our bank branches with your ID, and you can withdraw cash from your account with one of our tellers.
That's a relief. Thank you so much for your help.
My pleasure, Sarah. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's everything.
All right. Have a great day, and your new card will be on its way soon.
The final secret. Excellent work. You just completed a very important and practical conversation. You are now prepared to handle a stressful banking situation with clear and confident English. And now, for the secret I promised at the beginning. The simple secret that will make you feel confident in any financial conversation is this. It is always okay to say, I don't understand. In financial matters, asking questions is a sign of intelligence, not weakness. Banking and money can be confusing, even for native speakers. The smartest people are the ones who are not afraid to ask for clarification. If a bank employee uses a word you don't know, like APY or overdraft, it is your right to ask, I'm sorry, could you explain what that means? Or, can you say that in a simpler way? A good banker wants you to understand. When you ask questions, you protect your money and you show that you are a responsible and intelligent customer. So, my challenge to you is this. The next time you hear a financial word in English that you don't understand, I want you to look it up in an English-only dictionary. Then, write a simple sentence using that word in the comments below. Join me tomorrow for day 18, where we will dive into the exciting world of travel and master English for the airport. Please like, share, and subscribe to the Wisdom English podcast channel to watch our next videos.